Hello everyone, this is Faiza from Tailored by Faiza, and in today's tutorial I will teach you how to make a waist in a ready-made outfit. So this is a maxi and I would like, this is quite loose than my desired measurement, so I am going to fit this. Okay, so this is the top of the outfit. This is the collar. It's the back side. I have turned it inside out so that I can show you. Okay, so the first thing you'll do is that you will mark vertically that at what length do you want the shape to be. So in this particular case, I want that to be at 15 inches from the very top, from the shoulder, from right here. I'll mark it straight down at 15 inches and I'll make a mark over there. And then I'll tell you how to take off the excess. So now you have the line where would you like to take the axis off. Now I'll zoom in and show you that how I'm taking off the axis. Okay, so this is the line that I drew on 15 inches. You can see it over here and over here. Now you'll measure how much this is. So this one right here is 18.5 inches. You can see this is 18.5 inches. So I would like to set it to 17 inches. This one I would like to set it to 17 inches. So the axis is 1.5 inches. And whatever the axis is, I'll divide that by 2. So 1.5 inch divided by 2 is 0.75 inches. So I'll take 0.75 inches off from here and make a mark. Same thing on the other side. 0.75 inches off and make a mark. And then you'll connect it. Okay, so I've made a mark over here and mark over there. And now you'll just take a ruler, or you can use your hands to connect with the existing seam. This is the, as you can see, this is the armhole. So this is the chest side. I will connect it like this. And the hip line, you can use a ruler or you can do it with your hand too. Not a problem. You'll merge it to the length, to the seam, actual seam. You'll do the same thing over there, and then you'll sew on this. All right, so as you can see that I drew the line all the way across. Now what you have to make sure is when you're you have to join the line smoothly. So if you're using a ruler or something and it's just make sure that it does not make any corner or something. It has to be very smooth when you're joining. So I will start from here and stitch it on this line all the way across up to the shoulder seam, and then I'll do the same thing over there. All right, so I hope you can now see it. This is the shoulder seam and this is the line that we mark. So I'm going to stitch on this line. Start a little back from where the seam is already. Make sure to back tack. Now merge it on the existing seam that you already have. And make sure to backstitch. And that's how it looks. Now for this side, I'm starting from the bottom side. This is how it looks from the other side. Alright, so this is now how it looks. We have a waist over here and over there. Turn it inside out and iron it. If you have a serger, I would suggest you to serge this off. Please try this before you do that, because if you'll serge it, then you will have the excess off the fabric. Or you can just cut off the excess and do a zigzag stitch all the way across and meet that to this point. So I hope you're going to try this at home and you'll be able to alter. If this video helps you, please like and share my videos and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.